There's a big reason to why we are seeing more and more people reclaiming their indigenous roots. And I don't just mean indigenous to the lands of America, or when people hear the word native, they automatically just relate it to North America. I am talking about the original, the native people of Earth that spread on all four corners since the beginning of time, and that were granted the wisdom of the earth and the wisdom of the stars, and we're protectors of this land, and we're protectors of the ancient wisdom. There is a reason why we are seeing it more and more in our collective. The voice is beginning to speak, the ancient voices, and people now reclaiming their indigenous roots, because we are going through a major awakening in this shift in energy from Pluto into Aquarius. Pluto and Aquarius energy is about dissolving and transforming these systems of religion and indoctrination that basically deteriorated and killed the wisdom. It suppressed the ancient wisdom and it made it diabolical. And more people became indoctrinated and disconnected from the ancestral wisdom of the earth and the stars and the cosmos. And they made it to be something evil. And religion, what it has done, it has disconnected us from our true connection with the Creator, with Source. And that was a form of control, because if they can control us through religion, they can indoctrinate our mind, they can indoctrinate us, and they can control us and everything through fear. And the fear that was implanted within our people, the original people of this earth, through colonization, through infiltration and force, was that it made us feel that we were not good enough. It made us hate ourselves. It made us disconnect ourselves from our roots. This is why we see this so much in the Hispanic communities and all actually communities of people of color. There's so much discrimination and there's so much rejection towards having darker skin, towards having indigenous features. People want to look more European. They want to connect more with the invaders' ways, their ways of worshiping God, their ways of being. And what that does within the self is it creates this conflict, especially if we share both indigenous and European blood. It is that inner conflict, and this is what we are healing as a collective.